Hey there, in this video I'm gonna show you how to increase the click-through rate by simply putting the proper thumbnail. And that's not necessarily better looking thumbnail on your video, actually more effective thumbnail. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you had good time with your friends and family, but now going back to the topic. Okay, so first, the entire purpose of the good thumbnail is basically to trigger interest for your viewers to click it. So of course it seems like the more hours you spend on the thumbnail, the more effort you put in, and the more shiny, the better looking thumbnail it is, more people will click it. But see, that's actually not how it works. And I definitely agree that there should be effort put to your thumbnails. But actually sometimes the overdone thumbnails can damage the video's performance. So I'm gonna quickly show you how we increase the click-through rate from 3.7 to 8.5% on this video. And it was actually done by making the thumbnail look simpler, but yet triggering more interest. So when Chris released this video trying to hire real superheroes, he put the thumbnail that was looking really nicely, and it was a thumbnail that was showing a couple of the superhero powers in the thumbnail. It was actually a really nice looking thumbnail, to be honest, but then his click-through rate the very first day was only 3.7%. Now I watched this video, it was one of his best videos, I think, in my mind at least, but then the click-through rate was very low. You see, the job of the thumbnail is to basically trigger interest. And sure, it shouldn't be clickbait or anything, but if you reveal everything in the thumbnail, like most cool stuff that happens in the video, you actually put it on thumbnail, then your potential viewer is not gonna click that thumbnail because they already know what's gonna happen in the video. Case in point, imagine you basically watching Marvel movie, the time that Thanos wipe out everybody, and on the thumbnail you would see that end scene where Thanos actually snaps the fingers and everybody goes to ashes. Now you might watch it because you love Marvel movies, but that would be too revealing what's gonna happen in the actual movie, so you would trigger less interest. So going back to Chris's video, then we changed the thumbnail for this one. And you see, the crazy part about this thumbnail is it actually doesn't really say what's gonna happen in the video. So the title itself is kind of interesting because the potential viewer is gonna think like, what kind of superpowers these people are gonna have in the video, and then Chris is on the thumbnail saying, you know, what the heck or whatever. Again, not revealing what's gonna happen in the video much. So with that combination of the title and the thumbnail not revealing much and yet kind of interesting title, more viewers actually started to click this video. So as you could see, the first day it was 3.7% click-through rate, and then it went up and up again and it kind of stabilized. Basically increasing the click-through rate for average of 3.7% in the first day to 8.5%. So this video has almost 1200 views, and if actually only 3.7% of viewers will click that video, then it will be less than 600 views, actually closer to maybe 500 plus. So this is really a huge difference. Sure, this video didn't go viral or anything, but think about it, what would you rather have? 500 views on a video or 1200 views on a video? 50,000 views on a video or 120,000 views in the video? You see, it scales up like this. And actually what's even more important, which video you think YouTube would recommend more? The video with click-through rate of 3.7% or the video with click-through rate of 8.5%? And you already know the answer for that. So number one tip would be, do not reveal everything in your thumbnail. Actually create awesome title and make the thumbnail complementing the title but not revealing too much information. The only job of the thumbnail is to trigger interest for your viewer, and of course without using clickbait and deceiving the viewer. That's why sometimes it's some arrow pointing to something, or sometimes the little circle on the certain part of the thumbnail even though you don't know what the circle is actually showing, or some blurred part in the thumbnail, like for example somebody says revealing my new car and then it's blurry and you don't know what kind of car it is. Very simple. If a lot of people are clicking your video, that means the title and thumbnail are great. And of course it goes without saying, the video should bring the value so they're gonna actually watch the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button, it helps a lot. And of course don't forget to subscribe because I post videos like this every single day. And click this video if you want some editing tricks to keep your audience engaged. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Bye.